Good morning, welcome back to Vlogmas. I think we're on day 21.
Hold on, it's time for it to reappear.
Although I feel like we've been doing Vlogmas forever, it also doesn't feel like it's day 21, like 21st of December. What? So I wanted to start now because I've just had a little delivery of something. I know the other day I told you I'd bought myself a Christmas present and it was this file of facts, and that's true. But this was a bit of a sneaky one, even sneakier than that, because I was buying a Christmas present for my friend and just felt right to buy one for me as well. I bought us matching necklaces. This is the kind of weird stuff I do. It's for me and Karen, and every time something significant happens in our business, we say this time next year, you know, Del Boy style. And I got us these little charms from Monica Vinader. Is that how you say that? I think it is. And mine has an M on it, and on the back it says this time next year in real tiny engraving, and hers has a K, and I just think it's the cutest thing. Last year I was looking at this particular pendant and I wanted to put something on it, and I couldn't decide what to have engraved. And so I waited. I thought about it again this year. I was like, and I just couldn't decide. And then this came to me and I thought, this is super cute. And it's so dainty. It's such a pretty little, I love like a coin necklace. So I'm going to switch out my necklace now. I actually have a few things from this brand. I really, really like their stuff. And they do a locket that is the same style as this. Oh, where's it gone? Cute. They do a locket that's kind of the same style as this, but it's like larger, and obviously it opens chunkier. I'd quite like that. But again, I feel like because the engraving is, you know, I love a personalised item, because the engraving is like part of it. I feel like I'd need to get every inch of it engraved. You can get the front, the back, 2 parts in the side. What would I have engraved? I don't know. And so that's what's put me off so far, but I'm gonna need a matching piece with this now. Also, another thing that arrived, that someone, I won't say who, just in case, someone purchased for me recently, and that was a gift for someone else. How very cryptic, but that was exciting because I didn't know if that was going to come in time for Christmas. And last night I was so tired, I fell asleep on the sofa, just totally zonked. I clearly just like powered down, as I am wont to do. But I I was like totally dead to the world asleep. Came upstairs and Lee said, "Don't suppose you know where the Amazon Fire Stick remote is?" And I was like, no. I moved everything around. I don't remember seeing it. I do not remember seeing it. This has happened to me many times in life. I don't remember. I remember one specific time my mum was looking for something. I was like, I don't remember it. It was a whole thing. It was like, oh, that is a trauma memory. Because in my mind I was like, I did not see this thing. So I literally took everything out of the middle of the bed. If you saw yesterday's vlog, I emptied the entire ottoman bed, looking for it. I had a torch. This is like midnight. And I said to him, I can't explain to you, this is the worst thing that could possibly have happened to me at bedtime. Like, I can't relax now. I'm so vibrating. I can't relax. And he's like, well, fine, it's not a big deal. And I'm like, I know it's not a big deal, but like, I felt sick. I could have cried. That is not a proportionate response to what was happening. So anyway, I went downstairs. I was like, did I leave it downstairs somewhere? Did I randomly have it in my hand and put it down? What is going on? And then I came back into the bedroom and I saw my like skincare box on the side, and just something kind of came to me like, look in the box. It was in the box. I could have thrown it across the room. Then I went to move something and a kind of half full energy drink fell and just spilled everywhere. Thankfully it's diet, so it's not sticky, but still, we'll take the carpet cleaner to that today. And then I walked across the room and stood on a plug. This is why I believe in the law of attraction, because you are attracting how the frequency you're on in that moment. Something bad happens, you know, like you're in traffic, you get out of bed late, everything spirals. All the bad things happen at once. It's because you're kind of like on that, you're looking for bad. You're looking for confirmation that, oh my God, the world is against me. And yeah, it really felt like that. And then I was up till probably 4 o'clock in the morning. I just couldn't get to sleep. I was listening to stuff. I was obviously on my phone a little bit, but I was literally like really trying to get to sleep for a solid 2 hours. And yeah, I was just, even though I'd found it by this point, I was up here. Lee was like, okay, cool. I'm going to go to sleep and I'll see you in the morning. But he really liked the bedroom layout. Milo also said it's a great layout for lightsaber battles. I've just driven to school to pick up Milo and a song came on that is such, as the kids would say, a banger. No, it is such a feel-good song. Loving Spoonful, Summer in the City, cannot fail to make me feel great. We are testing. This is how I test different scents for wax melts and candles. So I've got what they all are here, and this is what they all are. I've made 2 of each. So Karen and I get 1 each. I'll put a little label on each of them. And yeah, it's very scientific, super scientific. In a couple of hours, I will pop them out, label them up, and give them to Karen tomorrow. And then over the Christmas period, we will make our final choices. And then, of course, because I'd slept for like 3 hours the night before, I fell asleep on the sofa. This morning, I've got a hair appointment and I've got to... Ooh, a friend has messaged me with an unusual message. I shall message her back immediately. Maybe that's why she does it. Because I'm so horrible at texting back. It's clever. It's clever. Anyway, I have to wrap up those little cubes and label them and give them to Karen today. I also have got to go and wrap her little present as well. So I'm going to do that. And you will see that in tomorrow's vlog. I just kind of wanted to finish off because I just disappeared off the face of the earth. I was just tired. I'm noticing as we get closer and closer to Christmas, I'm like on the sofa asleep much earlier. But yeah, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Today, but tomorrow.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.